Black magic sorcery. How do the negative alien agenda and power elite manage to maintain their power and global control over the majority of the wealth and planetary resources when they are such a small minority? The power elite are a small group of people who conjure black magic through dark rituals that are used for maintaining contact with the negative aliens in order to control the entire planet through the manipulation of the collective consciousness. The manipulation of consciousness technology, planetary grid networks, and the world of forces for service to self and negative ego purposes without regard for the consent or the consequence of actions upon others is a form of black magic sorcery. There are many different levels of the propagation of black magic, and all are based in service to self or ego gratification, such as using black magic to generate harm to others. The practice of black magic and conjuring demons or aliens for gaining knowledge or power is considered the left-hand path and is the definition of a black magician or sorcerer. Some ways to define black magic: practicing rituals based in service to self crafts and methods for personal gain and profit at the expense of others, sending curses, hexes, and negative energy patterns to people with intent to harm, such as making them sick, ill, or wishing them dead, using deceptions, schemes, and manipulations with intent to harm another, practicing blood sacrifice or the killing of a living thing dedicated to ritual or cleansing, practicing black arts for conjuring elementals and demons to work for the practitioner, acquiring knowledge without tempering the higher consciousness that results in succubus activities or the stealing of others' life force for use for selfish gain, the use of electromagnetic energy to form alien implants, holographic inserts, or etheric weapons to technologically assault and target another. Black magic used in sexual acts to conjure forces and bind the soul of the person through rape or forced sodomy. Any forced sexual act involving lack of consent between the parties and or a child. Any actions or behavior in which the Luciferian or satanic force is called upon, conjured, or embodied. Using artificial intelligence for consciousness exploitation by controlling people's minds, implanting thoughts, and controlling perceptions of reality in order to take advantage. Biotechnology abuses within all industries, such as spraying chemtrails, genetic modified organism foods, manipulating human DNA to generate diseases, aborted human embryos placed in the food supply, injecting pathogens through vaccines, are all considered tools of black magic sorcery. Human blood sacrifice, drinking blood, cannibalism, sex in a ritual setting. Black magicians or sorcerers exist in the human realm and in every dimension. Many Christos lightworkers deal with astral plane black magicians, human and non-human, who consistently throw etheric weapons, curses, and implants with intent to harm or make us sick from the astral or during the sleep state. This is why learning about these forces and how to communicate with Crystal Star and holding meditation, prayers, and doing spiritual housekeeping is critical during this time of the ascension cycle.